Am I alive? Am I dead? What the fuck? Gonna broski, 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 broski. Think I'm good. Yeah. Gotta make sure I don't show anything that's related to the size of a penis. Alright. So let me just pull up my stream, my second monitor. What the fuck? She wait, Fortnite gamer. Fortnite gamer. Alright, I think we're good. Yeah. I think we're good. I think so. Embarrassing. Oh my god, bro. Why is my shit so fucking bugged? What is up with this stupid computer? Wait, I might have to like low-key change the settings real quick. That's all good though. I think, yeah. Hold up. I might have, yeah, I might have to change the stream settings real quick. Might be on some. Yeah, I got it. Alright, bet. So, what are we looking at? So we see GBP cat. We're taking this common little trade on this, and we're taking this on S&P 500, and this is on gold. And as y'all can see, if it's using this fair value gap as, you know, I should have just waited until this fair value gap was properly being used and targeted this swing low. So as far as today goes, what I did wrong was the fact that I mean, I'm journaling it, so I guess that's good. But what I did wrong here was the fact that where is it? I'm gonna actually make this like a series where I like sort of journal at the end of the day on. I don't really mind who checks this, but all right. So right here, well, where's my journal? All right, so let me pull up my 26th records. All right, where is it? Yeah, there we go. So if y'all can't see this right here. All right, hold up. Alright, so you can see this right here. Bro, why is everything opening on my main screen, bro? Alright, so this right here, you can see this is no, this wasn't the bad trade. This was the bad trade. So what I did here was the fact that, so what went wrong essentially is the fact that I was where's the man? Hold up. Okay. Essentially what I did wrong was the fact that, oh, what is this? Alright, so basically what I did wrong here, oh my god, I'm repeating myself. Alright, so basically I got liquidated because first off, I should have targeted this as my swing low for my stop loss. And this is basically the demand zone. And knowing damn well that this is the demand zone, I decided to take the most brain dead trade of my life, right? That's not even the worst part, right? So basically, what happened here is, let me check. Yeah, let me play some music in a bit. But you can see that there is a breaker right here, low, high, low, low, high, high. So instead of being a proper, what's the word for it? I keep forgetting. But basically, I should have taken the trade from this fault leg right here, using this fair value gap as a confirmation, and taken this, you know, use this as support, and then retrace towards buy side liquidity after this liquidity swap. But now instead, you know what I want to do? I want to take this huge fair value gap, this 15-minute fair value gap. So from what I can tell right here, right, what I did wrong is the fact that I have to use this breaker instead. So if I use this unicorn model right here, low, high, low, low, high, high, I think I would have probably made better returns out of this trade. So if I use this as support, let's test that theory. Alright, so let's just use this level as support, retest this level, and then we're going to retrace towards buy side liquidity. So I'm going to take another trade when it hits here, but I don't think I have that much time because market's actually closing pretty dang soon. Let me actually comment from my own dropshipping store YouTube channel right here, as y'all can see. Oh my god. Okay, so volatility is endless, live trading with Jackie. So as far as I know, there is a, let me check if there's a kill zone right now. Yeah, so we have the New York PM session from 10:30 to 11:30 in my time, which is essentially 10:30 to 11:30, which is somewhere around, that's 10:30, it's like 1 to like 2 p.m. It's marked 2 p.m. as my second kill zone. So you can see that this right here is basically the New York PM session. So New York PM session open and New York PM session closed right here. Alright, so basically, in other words, you can see that this is going to retrace, it's going to test this level, and it's going to retrace further towards this level. This is just a sweep, okay? Who are we really fooling here with this stupid shit right here? Yeah, basically this is just a sweep. Actually, I might have to switch my computer performance low-key. Yeah, but never mind, it's already on performance. I don't know why it's tweaking that. But yeah, basically, in other words, we gotta make sure. I got in on the juice entry. Let's go, juice entry. But yeah, so pretty much apart from that, we gotta do real quick is Elliott wave CISD break even confirmation. Alright, so I'm gonna go on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that there is a change in state delivery because this candle is closing higher than this one. So CISD is real. So everybody spam real in the chat. So you can see that this is closing higher than the, see over here. So it's closing. So basically, in other words, this is a change in state delivery. I can even type that out. CISD. So with that out the way, you can see that this level is going to be retested, and then we're going to trace all the way towards buy side liquidity. So it's going to grab this sweep and it's going to reverse. So that's what I'm expecting to do. So yeah, let's see if this prediction is true, and if that is, then I would consider that a major W on my books. Basically the final trade that I'm taking for this week, because it's Friday and I really don't like that. But apart from that, you can see that this is going to be a, oh no, I'm gonna use this as my TP, because there's no way I'm staying until it hits that swing high, because that's gonna be like next week. Yeah, it's gonna keep going, and then it's gonna take out the liquidity and then go down. So every week, essentially, let me like write this down on my journal. Every week, the way things start is the opposite. Actually, no, let me check. Where things start, let me check. Week, days. Alright, so basically it was 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So essentially we're closing higher and higher and higher. So essentially the way we started last week, let me just mark this out. So it's 5 days this week, right? So let me just, where's was, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This right here is my candle where things start, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so this is basically where my fucking price range is going to be fluctuating in. And in other words, if I go down to the 4-hour fair value, 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is basically, in other words, taking out the buy side liquidity, and we're just basically going higher this week, which means this swing high, once this is broken, It's going to take out this liquidity and it's going to retrace towards sell side liquidity. Simple as that. So the way, fuck, what was that? The way the week started is not the way the week ends. That's kind of a hard bar. And if it does, that means I don't even know. But yeah, basically every week the way things start is the opposite as to how they end potentially. Okay. So in other words, right, we're gonna be bearish on Monday. Bearish on Monday the 28th, no, 29th July 2024 on GBP, CAD. Okay. In other words, let me think. All right, so we took out buy side liquidity, of course, and let me think. Okay, so we are retracing towards that. For fair value gap has been used as support, which is good, and now we're tracing towards this swing high. I'm not targeting the sweep because that's not where I am planning on targeting, because this is a magnetic field and this is just a sweep. Okay, so we're gonna expect a reaction over here, and then I'm expecting it to sort of retrace up to this after a while. Because yo, what's good, smooth brain? What's good, man? How you doing, man? Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm expecting it to sort of have a reaction right here. So you can see that this is a swing high, and yeah, so we got that swing high real quick. So what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna take this fucking buy side liquidity real quick, and then we're gonna have a liquidity sweep right here, and we're gonna go towards this one. We're gonna see a bit of a reaction somewhere around here, and then if you look at this from the OTE perspective, on a 4-hour OTE, you can see that this is actually just a, where is this heading towards? Not too sure. Okay, so if we do get in the 15-minute time frame on this specific trend, so if we draw the OTE from the swing high to the swing low, this is basically our entry. So we should get in somewhere around here, a bit below the 0.5. So I'm expecting a reaction in the 0.5 equilibrium. And if I go down to the 5-minute time frame, you can see that we have a bit of a, see over here at the equilibrium, we're seeing a bit of a reaction. I'm seeing bullish displacement, which confirms the fact that we are retracing towards buy side liquidity, which is our TP part target over here. I'm not planning on using this swing high as my buy side liquidity, but I mean, if you have a lot of bullish displacement, and if I'm confident that I would use this as my TP, but the market's closing today, so I'm just trying to get this trade over with. So yeah, so we're gonna use this level as support, and we're seeing that especially even on the 15-minute time frame. You can see that we're using this as support. We're going to hit this TP goal, which is the swing high right here. This is a sweep. Once again, this is a what? A sweep. Let me just, a sweep right here. Bro, what? Why does it keep doing that? Alright, so this is basically a sweep right here. So yeah, see, this is a sweep. So that's why I'm targeting this as my buy side TP. Okay, so with that out the way, let's look at XAU. So XAU is doing pretty well. I'm expecting, once again, I'm expecting a reaction somewhere around, so this is on the 4-hour, what do you call it? Let me look at this. So you can see that this is equilibrium in this scenario. So we had a reaction over here. So we had major bullish displacement, and we have a reaction over here. Fluctuating, consolidating towards from New York AM session, and we're still going, and New York PM session is starting pretty soon, so we're still going. I don't know how long this will take to hit this target, but to be fair, it's a pretty long target. So I'm just gonna get this trade over with, because I don't want the trade to be stuck. It's gonna be frozen if I let it play throughout the weekend, right? So I'm just gonna get it over with by targeting this as my TP. because if I target higher, then it's going to take a longer time. So I'm just going to target this swing high as my TP because I want this trade to get over with before the week ends, essentially. Apart from that, we see S&P 500. So let me compare this with US 30 for divergence. So you can see that we are heading bullish on US 30, which means we're heading bullish. So I was expecting a reaction from the fair value gap right here on the 15 minute. Was this 15 minute? Yeah, this was on 15 minutes. I'm pretty sure this was 4 hour. Yeah, it was a balanced price range, I'm pretty sure. No, it wasn't. It was just a weird fair value gap. Okay, so this was a 4 hour fair value gap right here. And from what I expected, let me see what I was expecting. So we can see that this is basically going bullish, and we're going bullish here as well. And on Nasdaq, we are going bearish and then bullish. Of course, the SMT is bullish, so this is just SMT. Let me mark that out as SMT. My laptop screen is like so small. I need to get my PC fixed real quick. But if this is using this level as support, I'm gonna wait until it sort of tests. Actually, no, I would take the entry somewhere here and target this level as my target this level as my, because this is a magnetic zone. I would target this level as my buy side liquidity. I mean TP. So because all this is just a bunch of this is a magnetic zone right here. So everything around is basically just sweeps. So what I'm gonna do right here is use this right here as a support level. So we're gonna use this as a support level, and once it closes above, because this is a paper trade, I'm just gonna try to see if I can go for a target this swing low. No, target this swing low and this swing high. Swing high is somewhere here. Alright, so yeah, this swing low is okay, I guess. But yeah, so pretty much what we're gonna do here is, I'm certain that it's gonna go, not certain actually, it's just a paper trade. So so pretty much what I'm expecting this to do is retrace above, come back down. That's why I'm using this level as my stop loss. This might be an ass ratio low key, but it's okay. So yeah, basically I'm using this level as my take profit. So essentially what I'm doing here is using this level and then retest this level. Price retests again, goes up, and there's no buy side liquidity. So it's gonna retest this level, which is a swing high right here. So let me just zoom in and see which one is really the swing high. I'm going to consider this as the swing high because this is just a sweep, okay? So we're going to always consider the magnetic zone. So let me just consider that the swing high. So essentially it's going to sweep. No, it's not going to be this tall. It's going to sweep, and then it's going to retrace further lower, and it's going to keep going up. Do you analyze and trade in TradingView? Yes. Sorry, I was so locked in on this. I wasn't really locked in, but yeah, I'm just trying to get my last few trades for like, cause my TradingView trial like ran out for this month. So essentially, like, I need to make sure everything is how do I explain this? I need to make sure my I get as most juice out of my fucking TradingView trial. I mean, a normal TradingView subscription, the free version as possible, because it's like I ran on my trial, so I need to pay $15 if I want the replay feature. So now I'm just doing this in real time. I might buy the TradingView retail or like replay feature because that's like essential. I'm wasting a lot of time in front of the real-time charts. But yeah, apart from that, we seem to be going pretty bullish right now. So as you can see, we will use this, and we have a lot of divergence indicating the fact that it's going to be bullish, especially because US 30, where's US 30? Well, yeah, we did retest this level, so if you look at it on the 4 hour time frame though, you can see that we were at sell side liquidity, and we took out this low. We didn't take out this low. We took out this swing low. We didn't take out this swing low though. That's yeah. Does this mean it's gonna potentially reversal? That's a weird type of situation. But I was told to analyze in TradingView. Hold on. And trade in MetaTrader. Yeah, you can do that. Yes. So essentially, like I haven't gone through like the whole brokerage procedure, but MetaTrader is only for like iPhones. But so I saw like some broker like you can like technically trade from. So for example, like right here, hopefully I don't dox myself with this. You can like log out of paper trading, and then you can like sort of select. I think it was OKX, which was one of the brokers. So if you have one of the brokers that are supported by TradingView, I'm pretty sure you can like directly trade from here. What is this? So yeah, you can like directly trade with TradingView if you have an OKX brokerage account, because you can log into it directly from TradingView and then start trading from here itself, which is cool, you know, compared to like just having to use MetaTrader 4, because MetaTrader 4 I've used it. It's not really convenient. It's a very weird application to say the least. I don't like it, not even in the slightest. Like it's one of those applications which are like, ugh. Like I'd rather mess around, because like if you have OKX connected, for example, because you can directly incorporate it with TradingView, you can like literally like put out the settings right here and then like take the trade from here itself, which is so much more convenient, bro. Like I don't really like the whole concept of using MetaTrader, but I mean, I'm pretty sure OKX comes with some flaws as well, so I need to see. Once I really try for a funded account, I'm gonna see if like what are the ups and downs. Shouldn't be too bad to execute from MetaTrader, honestly. I don't think that would be that much of a problem though. I don't know. It's gonna be a little annoying though. I don't know why it works like that. Like, why can't we just have all the brokerages or all the brokers over here, you know? Like, just execute like how we execute paper trades. I was told to analyze in TradingView and trading. Yeah, so you can demo trade as much as possible on TradingView. But when you're executing with MetaTrader, that's basically mainly. You can technically demo trade there as well, but I really don't know who really demo trades on MetaTrader, bro. That application's hideous. But yeah, this right here. Hopefully it hits TP before the weekends, because I'm not trying to sit here and wait until next week. Like I swear to God, like it just freezes if the market closes right now, for example, like the trades just freeze, bro. And and like every time I come on the like charts, let's say I just want to like see what's going on, you know, I see this thing on my screen like all the time. It's kind of annoying. It's no big deal though. But yeah, I have like 4 trades running at the same time, so Jesus, why are they all longing? So yeah, pretty much let's see how things play out next week. I'm planning on taking like a small funded account challenge if I have a proper win rate, but right now things are not looking too good. See, I have all my journal trades and stuff. I'm getting familiar with retesting the 0.5 equilibrium zone, because the 0.5 always has some sort of reaction, but this TP level is below that, so we're essentially still in discount. So I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's like the final trade for like final normal market trade. I'm gonna take some few trades on Bitcoin, crypto, because it prepares me for like literal war. Because trading crypto is literal war. I'm gonna get rid of all this because I didn't really do proper charting on this. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Okay, so we have let's get a weekly bias check. Okay, so we have what's happening here? So we have a swing high over here. We have this swing high and a bunch of swings over here. So the swing low is right down here, over here. So we have this swing low, and then we have this sweep right here. This is just a liquidity sweep. So this liquidity sweep right here. Oops. Let me just get rid of that. Okay. So we have this sweep right here below this, and then we are going back towards buy side liquidity. Okay, so we have this range right here, which is basically kind of like a magnetic zone. So I'm going to use this level as my actual level, because I'm going to consider that my normal zone. All right, so this right here is going to be my normal zone, because even though this is the swing high, I'm going to consider this top part of the wick as a sweep. Okay, so now let's go on the daily time frame and see what's going on here. Okay, so this chart is mainly consolidating. from what I can see. Because even though it's technically having a lot of breaker structures and market structure shifts, it's very quick. So I don't really like this choppy market. Anyways, now we've taken out this swing high right here. We've taken out this swing high. It seems to be aiming towards coming back now. We took out this. We're going to retrace a bit, and then we're going to retrace towards this right here. This is buy-side liquidity. So buy-side liquidity, so overall, we know for a fact that for the next few days, it's going to come down a little bit, and it's going to retrace back up. But from what I can see, we have a fair value gap right here. So let's think of just this fair value gap, and does it use this as support or not? So it does seem like it's using it as support. But I'm going to bed, Gian. Alright, bed. Thanks for tuning in, man. Alright, see you, man. Good night. Alright, so this 1-day fair value gap, we're going to use this 1-day fair value gap as support, and then we're going to head towards. So we're going to head towards buy-side liquidity. So this is the first swing high we have. So we have a pretty good assumption for the trade that we're going to take. So we're going to draw a OTE from the swing high to the swing low. Alright, so now that we have a swing high to swing low, what we're going to do here is basically see what's going on. So in the, we're past the, what do you call it? We're past the discount zone. So getting in right now might be a risky trade. But if we are targeting this pattern right here, let's say for example, let's say right here, we took out this area right here. I'm going to use an OTE from the top to the bottom right here. Right. So this is the OTE. And we're going to retrace and retest this level right here, 0.5. And we're going to use this fair value gap right here, retrace back to it. We're going to use this as a stop loss. And then we're going to go towards the buy side liquidity, which is this point right here. And then we're going to use that as resistance turn support, which is alright. So we're going to use this to sort of retrace back towards buy side liquidity. Simple as that. Okay. So the only problem is that we're on a premium zone right now when it comes to the bigger picture. As you can see, we're past a 0.75 as well. So that's a horrible time for entry. So not entering right now because we're on the buy side of the curve. And okay, like this. Oh my god, why am I so sleepy right now, bro? Like, why? It's like 10 p.m. We have a market maker buy bumble. We have the consolidating phase. We have the bunch of phases consolidating up to it. So we have the sell side of the curve. Oops. Why does it keep doing that? Why does it keep doing that, bro? Okay, so we have the sell side of the curve. We have the consolidation, and we have the buy side of the curve. So if we zoom in right here, for instance, low, high, low, low, high, high. So you can see that this right here is a demand zone. Right. So you double click on this. This is a demand zone. Cool. Alright, so this is the demand zone, and we're going to use this level as a support level to sort of push up. Not this one. I mean, this is also technically, this is just a breaker, but this is the order block. So realistically, this is the this is technically the breaker block. And we have the fair value gap right here on the fourth wing right here. This is going to further validate the unicorn FVG. I'm just going to call it unicorn FVG because it's the fair value gap in the same leg. So we're going to use that level as support, target this swing low as a sell stop, and we're going to target this swing high as our TP. Retrace, boom. Simple as that. We technically we're still in discount, so we're going to be coming here, using this level, Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I'm not gonna take any trade right now though. Even though this family gap seems like it's gonna be used inversely. IF3G. Alright, so we might use this as support and retrace here, retest this level. I'm expecting this to happen, so we retest this level, and head higher. Keep going higher to this point. Take the sweep, and then go down, lower. And then we go down lower. Simple as that. Alright. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple stuff. It's not really too complicated. It's not too hard to do. Yeah, we have a rejection zone up here. But yeah, it's not too hard, it's not too hard, it's not too hard. Everything is fine right now. So anyways, this was just a stream